You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop, ready to do another Halloween item. This is the Kit Kat Bunnies. And I perused my video queue. By the way, I'm going to hit 8,000 videos this year, for sure. Not 8,000 in 1 year, 8,000 total. But that means at least four videos a week. And then Valentine's Day I did about 20 plus that week. Okay, so I kind of gave you a sneak peek on these in the original Christmas, Halloween, Easter. It was the Harry Potter pop-ups, and I showed this at the end so everybody could see. So it's a red bag, big word Kit Kat Bunnies, and the bunnies have little bunny ears over the U. Little yellow bunny ears. Then you see a happy smiley bunny, and then the Kit Kat. And to the right of him, to the left for us, is a little Easter egg or an egg that's broken in a little flower patch, but it's very muted in colors. But on the other side of him, our right, it's an Easter basket with colorful eggs and a blue bow on a yellow basket and a little green background. And he looks so happy. And then the back is a repeat of that, a much larger scene. And then they show you these individual packed bunnies. They show three different color packagings, a blue, a yellow, and a green. And then he's back there again holding a Kit Kat sign that says crispy, creamy, hoppy, snack size. Nutritional information for you who like to read that. Let me get into the bag now that we've discussed it. We've talked about it. We've looked at it. Now we must eat it. Let us just dump on the countertop. So that does look like the packaging here. So actually, they don't sell them individually. They're showing you what it is. I didn't think they'd be pre-packaged, but they're each individually packaged with three colors. Let's see, we got 2 blue, 3 blue, 4 blue, 2 green, another green. Now we have 2 yellow. Now we have 4 green. We have another blue. We have another blue. We have another blue, and we have another blue. So it looks like they're favoring the blue. So I only got 2 yellow, 4 of the green, and then 8 of the blue. And what I mean blue is the packaging is still red, almost the entire thing, but in the center is a little triangle-shaped yellow patch or green patch or blue patch, and they're all just a little bit different. This one's got Easter eggs. The yellow one has Easter eggs. The green one has little flowers, and then the blue one has bunny prints, it looks like. My mouth is watering. I haven't had chocolate in a very long time, except for a video of the ice cream. When did I do that? I'm going to open up the bunny. Okay, so he does look like the packaging, which is nice. He's shaped like a bunny. He's got his little smile. Let's see if he breaks like a Kit Kat. Oh, he breaks like a Kit Kat. So you've got your wafer cookie on the inside. Now, different than a Kit Kat, it looks like it's thicker chocolate. And his little bunny paws, they say Kit Kat on his paws. Let's try it. When you haven't had chocolate in a long time, it tastes so good. I might have to have another piece. I will have another piece. I will now open up another one. Why do I want to do that? So you can look at it out of the package, because I just ate one. So they're about 3 inches tall, maybe 3.5. Will he stand up? He doesn't stand up, he lays flat. And here I go, I'm going to eat the bottom half of the bunny. It tastes like a Kit Kat. I haven't had one in a long time, but that reminds me of a Kit Kat. A little more chocolate than a Kit Kat because the shape, it's not just a straight piece. So he's got little paws and little hands, so you're going to have more chocolate there. Very tasty. I would say if you like Kit Kats, these are nice little handout treats at Easter time or an Easter basket loaded up with Kit Kat Bunnies. Crisp wafers and milk chocolate. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Later. If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.